Kipat ba nong song shnong haringkat ba kiseng bhalang kiba ai ka jingkershan barat ba kipat ba ka shnong lapangap kilapan pau balada ka jingkular ban pha kibor pahara kiba klancha lapangap kam urlong kindang pinjur shu ya ka jingekhi kumban chukdo kipat ba ka shnong lapangap haringkat bat ki kattu kat ni kiseng bhalang kum ka KSU East Janty Hills ka Jantia Student Movement ba ka Jantia National Council kilawan bentur kensan sha secretariat Hadin kani ka jingwantur sha secretariat nakalyang jang ka sarkar ka lakhat ya kran ya kani ka kanhun bat usimbut menteri rangba uba asnyau bhalang dhar ban ya kran ha ka bayadei bat ka jing ba ki kandu na ka jing sha thambor ha ki karbi haba kran shi kipat ba nakalyang UDC bat SP ka East Janty Hills ki layat ho sha kipat ba ki ba shong shabar ki lapen pau ba nadu ka steps ni pale ken pha ya ki bor pahara ba klanding ba ki SF10 sha ka shnong lapangap ban ai jing ya da ya ki nong rap ha ka te gishnong
to air their grievances to the government. After intense discussions which have happened with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in the presence of Chief Secretary Sir, Principal Secretary, IG Madam, IG Sir, as well as with SP Sir, and me myself and the representative from various student organizations as well as the headman of Lapangam. Amongst the discussions, what the key points have come out based on the demands or the grievances of the people, that starting from tomorrow onwards, the deployment of the SF10 would be deployed in addition to the existing forces which are there, though which are already equal in number. Second, we will be discussing at the highest level of the government through Deputy CM Sir and the CM Sir. The matter will be taken by today itself. At the district level, me as well as SP Sir will be going tomorrow on the field to ensure that the cultivation starts well in the progress and to ensure that the peace and everything is there. Also in the upcoming days, the peace committee would be handling again. And with regard to the negotiations that have not happened so far, because the Assam government has been formed recently and the chairman of the regional committee at the Assam side is yet to be decided. So by tomorrow onwards, once the negotiation gets happen, I believe and I firmly believe that the peace would be restored and from our side, the cultivation would be happening and the grievances of the people would be aired out. Thank you.
Kami jing benci jing kelamu DC West Janty Hills District. Liliang yang DC benci untuk hadin ketua kelas. Tapi lesnya tu tapi untuk hadin bombiok tapi lipuk di rap kamu jole. Dewan pindi sini dia ile chong meeting bu deputy chief minister yang i uman le local MLA US Dhar. Hai ta ke office yang jing em lang yang ki chief secretary yang SP DC kamu jole yo rak guru sarkar em. Dan liang yang government dek ke assurance untuk wadau bu pulit dik SF10 kamu ong di situ tu polis tu strong na bentau ya dai pi ulai pu lai rep pi cita jela pengam tenaliang yang sarkar le dek goi kata ke assurance kejing penting kena tok na dom step dau m double triple kejing bun yang di pulit ku ya dai pi hai lai rep yang pi tai hala pengam kata to assurance naliang yang sarkar wi chong hita po office support secretariat naliang di sisar rengkar USP DKI kita assurance rota uwa nadok mestap Chennai naliang yang pi gindong chong chnong la pengap dau yo pi kata ka jingyada ko kerpang wat naliang yang i NGO giwa represent gindong chong chnong yang pi ko emlang ni hitai meeting bisnya rota uwa nadok mestap kesengi nurut ni step le naliang SP le kanau to le deploy gi le pen po gi kita polis UN cita cepo la pengam tente dau pai ba kini man ngam ka jing pentip cepi uman man gi jai ba naliang yang government ka kwa ko kre le betayong pi UI kita assurance cepi kanang yo pi urep kam ju rep man snem mistep di mistep dan liang government kita assurance to ndo mistep hejui por le apa ba ketu ka kini ka kam yang di polis ku empok chnong pi liang government le daragi yu kenria ka le chnong pi cai cha Bilang ke sarkar. Sebentar ni baile UI ki pi kate kajing ada kawa. Kajing ada kawa kerpang ni mentai imit risni. Naliang government le. Naliang government le. Daw implement kita pengkerekam kita katakan night curfew. Naliang government daw pengkerekam kita katakan night curfew. Jadi jika night curfew to yung night kini karbi yung lai ben prai heli yang pi. Karbi nanti penar na pengap nanti tak pat miok yung lai di match tau de pi. Kata sin jam de chim naliang government nanti benta wow. Ke jing daya pi kinong chong. Tenete daw ini liang yang ini kan jiu baik daw em lang rupi la daga sarkar himle gamte daw chim de rupi.
Boy kan naik curfew il pengap kamin snem.
Oh le de kelam gini.
Petani mai peta gini. Abas. Boy kan naik curfew kamin snem il pengap. Suweri lang at there last year the 144 CRPC has been imposed only for the pengap. This year we don't have a chef. Amara yarong.
Thank you. See, from Meghalaya police side, our job is to ensure that the safety and security of our farmers is maintained at any cost. So we are working towards that. We will ensure you that let us go back to our village and start our farming from tomorrow.
Chef.
Yes, sir. So I would request all of you who are here that let us go back. You have already spent a lot of time here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And government has listened to all your demands. Necessary instructions have been issued to us. So I would request all of you to let us go back and start our work in field from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Tagabiang, narakim lagi sama si Cipang Pecah, mudah ni, segi hajar mudah ni, nak betul kibin, ya gaya kecil dah orang kecil kinong rep. Biang, apa di pi, tanggai, bapin, mi dan borong nang ni, wat pentrot ya gaya kecil jong giwai, ya gipet ba, gipet yang ti nang ni naga, kemas sekretariat, bapin le segi yang gisem jong pi, bapin nado le saya kesi, pin le rep kumba saya le rep. Biang, March Brown, March Brown, March Brown. Kebetulan lebih baik ba telah di rumah koran belum te langsung sini ke sem chopi kawa berbenar di sini waspin tu atau wa dawi berapa mesti biang yang di naduk ke distrik administration naduk ke government yang ke Meghalaya ke Sarkar Usnya api paik Meghalaya yang imam de punce HP karena tu senang de EBI hagini ki perlaksan bahalang ki wasnya ro ki cikor ki ya ga jingkular yang Sarkar wala jiaw ga jingkular yang Sarkar mando saiso ki perlaksan bahalang wa igan ki cinong la daw yami biang so gani pa ga jingkerpat di kinong cinong wa dedep igan ki jingki ki yong ye wa i dedep pen mud da mangi de yoga iman ga saiso tekerpat di kinong cinong Uman pi kemensin go jajai kamu mi ina gicenong yo belai am lang kat curbai yo lutiwa mandami ini le daga jeng duai bo wiliwan cicenong yo man ge go seiso kerpa di pi ginong cong cenong woro wasnya baham ye cong cip dei desnya begitu gejeng pence lai sejar-jar ge geri motor ge yong pi ya boy tan sa ai pi te kerpat ye gi boyam gi katukan ni ge urap hawa anai le kerpat di pi snya bah si anak cepat geri, ya ulat piucai, ya ulat ke uja buram. Dengan ini ke jeng kerpat na ikam ginong ilam cenong, kerpat ya warok ikon ke cenong. Aduk kisin bahalang gi am lang i kublai cipun ya kejeng ya kooperat ke yang piu ikam ginong ilam cenong, hejoi por ke kisin bahalang, hejoi por ke Sarkar, te kerpat di pisu cisin. Senyaw bahalai segi kekeri ke motor ke yang pi, liwan suki kam majuk liwani, kam mawani, laiwan di sub desain, yoluti liwan le esok desain. Kublai cipun.